OPPO Mobiles consistently strives to introduce the most cutting-edge and attractive smartphones to the market. OPPO Mobiles has progressed in terms of technology. Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about OPPO Reno 8 Pro Plus. This OPPO Reno 8 Pro Plus is well worth purchasing if you're searching for a decent flagship phone, good gaming phone, good design, good display, and outstanding performance. Because it meets all the requirements of a responsible customer. Find out what this phone is. The OPPO Reno 8 Pro Plus has a lot of features that not only make it seem good, but also make it incredibly adjustable. The phone weighs 183 grams and measures 161.2 by 74.2 by 7.3 millimeter, 6.35 by 2.92 by 0.29 inches, 6.46 ounces. Easy to move around in. Additionally, the OPPO Reno 8 Pro Plus is built well. The option of RGB notification lighting and dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby are supported, allowing you to access to several networks. The OPPO Reno 8 Pro Plus sensors include an optical fingerprint reader built into the display, an accelerometer, gyro, proximity sensor, a compass, and a color spectrum sensor. This model's display measures 6.7 inches, 108 centimeters square, or 90.3% of the phone's surface area. It has a resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, a 20:9 aspect ratio, a 394 ppi density, which is sufficient to produce an ideal display. The OPPO Reno 8 Pro Plus has an AMO LED display with 120 Hz and HDR10+. Android 12 and ColorOS 12.1 make up the OPPO Reno 8 Pro Plus's operating system. MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max 5nm is the chip utilized in the smartphone, and it has an octa-core CPU, 4 by 2.85 GHz Cortex A78 and 4 by 2.0 GHz Cortex A55. The main camera on the OPPO Reno 8 Pro Plus is fantastic, and there are 3 cameras on the rear. The main camera on the OPPO Reno 8 Pro Plus is a 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 f and 1.9. The wide f and 1.9 aperture of this camera lens, paired with the great camera setup, makes it even more awesome since the wider the aperture, the more light it will catch and the sharper the image and video quality will be. The OPPO Reno 8 Pro Plus has a 4K 60 FPS video recording capability. Amazingly, the high-end processor and effective optimization software will allow the movie to have more details. You may also record 4K at 30 FPS, which will be sharper and include even more details. Only the main lens has optical image stabilization. This is excellent. It will improve the accuracy and stability of the camera experience. You will bid farewell to your shaky films and fuzzy photos. There are 2 extra camera lenses on the OPPO Reno 8 Pro Plus. Another 8 megapixel camera sensor exists, and it is an ultra-wide camera. The 16mm field of view is larger. The autofocus on this camera sensor is likewise incredible. Amazing photos may be taken using this sensor with great accuracy. Its f and 2.2 aperture makes it crisp and full of interesting subjects. With its outstanding camera configuration, OPPO Reno 8 Pro Plus has high-resolution sensors, quick autofocus lenses, and excellent software optimization. Another 2 megapixel macro camera is available, although it is rarely used due to its low resolution. This OPPO smartphone is advertised as having an octa-core 2 by 2.2 GHz Cairo 360 Gold and 6 by 1.7 GHz Cairo 360 Silver CPU, so that you can access several programs and play graphically demanding games without experiencing lag. The phone might also have a respectable 4,500 mAh battery and the Android V11 operating system. As a result, you won't have to worry about your battery draining as you play games, listen to music, view movies or videos, or do other things. Stereo speakers are included with the OPPO Reno 8 Pro Plus. The OPPO Reno 8 Pro Plus boasts good audio quality and a satisfying amount of bass. Because there are 2 speakers, one at the bottom and one at the top, gamers will benefit from this. Watching videos and listening to music are both beneficial. It's neither good nor bad that there is no 3.5mm headphone jack. The OPPO Reno 8 Pro Plus includes a powerful 80-watt charger, which charges the OPPO Reno 8 Pro Plus completely in just 50 minutes, which is quick. There is no support for wireless charging. Because of its enormous 4,400 mAh battery and fast charging, the OPPO Reno 8 Pro Plus can run for up to 6 hours on a 20-minute charge. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this video made your decision easier, and we'll be back soon with more interesting content. See you soon!